Hi everyone, Mrs. Kane here. For those of you that missed our first grade and kindergarten art call today, we learned about printmaking and we learned how to make a leaf print using markers and a leaf that you can find outside. You want to make sure that the leaf that you find is not super dry and crunchy so that you can actually use it for your printmaking. And you can turn that into many different types of pictures, or you can just make prints just for fun. These make excellent cards, so if you're looking to make some birthday cards, little notes for people or for friends, this is a great way to do that. What we're basically doing is making our own stamp using a leaf. So we're transferring the image that we're going to create on this leaf onto the paper. So you want to use some Crayola markers or something similar. If you have rose art or anything like that, that's fine. And you want to work pretty fast to color the back side of this leaf. You can see I'm using this side that has all those veins on the back of the leaf, not the smooth side on the front. You want to get all these veins colored in really good. And I'm going to do two colors on this leaf. You could do one color, you could do a bunch of colors. But you want to work fairly fast, so I suggest when you're doing it that you take the tops off your markers ahead of time for whichever colors you want to do so that it doesn't dry too fast. This works really well. The Crayola stays pretty, the marker stays pretty wet. Then you flip it over and you just press it down on your paper. And you don't want it to slide around a lot on you. You do want to press pretty hard. But make sure you're not moving it around or you'll have smudged images. Press pretty hard, and when you lift up, you'll have a super cool leaf print. And you can do these all different kinds of leaves. So I'll show you another one. I'll do a warm color. I'll do this red. And when you're coloring, you might want to have a different background paper, not your actual finished image that you're using. So you can see I got to work pretty fast on this to make sure that I get all that color on. And sometimes even once you have color on the last bit, you might want to just go back over here and add a little bit more. And then I'm going to flip that over onto my paper and press down really hard. You could even set something heavy on top of it, like a soup can you could roll on top or something like that. Get this pressed down really good. And when you lift up, you have a beautiful image of your leaf and all of those wonderful lines from nature that are on the underside of your leaf. So have fun with it, experiment, try different colors, and I hope you have fun making your leaf printmaking.